So again, if you remember the fraction rules, what you're looking at for addition and subtraction of fractions is that you find a common denominator and then you would add or subtract your numerators. So if I have 1/2 plus 1/2, I have a common denominator, and then we add the numerators and keep the denominator. So again, the same thing here. You would add the first numbers, but keep your power of 10. All right, I think multiplication and division are much easier because you do not need a common exponent. It's very simple, just like if you're multiplying, like if I have 2/3 times 1/2, you multiply your numerators to give the 2, 3 times 2 gives you the 6, and then you can just reduce your answer here. So in multiplication and division with scientific notation, it's pretty much the same. You want to follow the rule that you multiply the first two numbers if it's multiplication. So 4 times 2 gives us 8. And then we multiply the exponent. And our shortcut for multiplying the exponent is that we add the two exponents. So the 3 and the 4 gives us 7. So 8 times 10 to the 7th would be the answer. In the division, when you're, just like here in the notes, when numbers in scientific notation are divided, only the numbers are divided, and then you subtract your exponents. So the 9.6 divided by 1.6 gives us 6, and 7 minus 4 gives 3. So on this page, when you're doing your examples, it would be pretty similar. All right, here you want to take 6 and multiply it by 1.5, and then you can add your exponents, 3 and -2. So one more thing to consider while you're working on these problems together and when you start your homework is that don't forget that all of these answers have to be in proper scientific notation. You can't have a number that is 36.2 times 10 to the 4th. And that was in the video that you watched first about how to determine if numbers are almost in scientific notation, how to put them back into scientific notation. Good luck, and we'll check on this tomorrow.